Hi, my name is Sean Tiberio, and I empower real estate professionals to build a stronger, more reliable business so that you can gain control over your life and claim your financial freedom. Now, this is the welcome to the channel video, so guess what? Welcome to it. On this channel, you can expect real estate marketing, motivation, and business content so that you can become the best known real estate expert in your market. I'm going to teach you all of this so that you can build a business that runs with or without you and doesn't require endless day and night action all on your part. Why should you listen to me? Well, like I said, my name is Sean Tiberio. I'm a two-time published author, and I've been in the real estate investing game for 12 plus years now. I've taken down a few hundred real estate transactions, and I've also worked with thousands of real estate professionals all over the country. And as a result of this, myself, as well as many of those that I work with, have enjoyed the freedom that real estate brings while making it easier to do more deals consistently. During my time working with real estate professionals and also many service-based businesses, I've noticed that they struggle to have consistent, predictable marketing that actually generates warm, organic, inbound opportunities, and that when they implement the strategies that I'm going to teach you here on this channel, I've seen them go from frustrated, burnt out, just downright confused on why they are getting no traction to having steady opportunities flowing into their business, filled with excitement because they're actually being discovered, and more importantly, motivated leads are actually reaching out to them instead of them chasing them or begging them and doing all the other stuff to try to get leads. So if you're ready to have a steady flow, inbound, motivated leads for your real estate business, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you really soon.